about the probing of the financial irregularities case against the former principal of RG Kaur Medical College and Hospital, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. Now we are told after the Central Bureau of Investigation, the Enforcement Directorate will be beginning the probe in the financial irregularities and money laundering case. Kamalika has more details. Yes, Kamalika.
Can you please repeat the question?
We are now learning, Kamalika, that the ED is also now involved in the money laundering and financial irregularities case against Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. More details, please.
See, the ED was keeping a very close watch on the entire situation because this financial irregularities allegation is a big allegation, and if this allegation are true, that means that there a lot of money has been laundered into it. That is the common belief which the central agencies have. So we'll have to really see that the ED, what we are getting last 2 days, that ED was really taking interest in the case.
Yes.
How far they will go with this thing, that we have to really see. But what we are coming to know, that they have also following the case and they can also initiate their investigation.
Right. Kamalika, I'd also like to understand this one aspect of the CBI questioning of Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. It went on for the 11th straight day till pretty late in the night. Of course, there are a series of questions that the CBI is ending up answering, asking Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. One such instance that was cited through sources. In fact, just stay on with us there, Kamalika. Let me bring in Arunima for more details on this very piece of news that we are breaking as a ED involvement in this case. Arunima was asking Kamalika the same thing on how the CBI is going on questioning Dr. Sandeep Ghosh. The financial irregularities case had come to fore. Now the ED is showing interest in this. There's a money laundering aspect to this entire thing. More details about this, please.
So there was a direct charge made by Akhtar Ali. If you see his complaint before the Kolkata High Court, he makes a damning allegation of money laundering, especially in connection with the biomedical waste disposition specific complaint. There are multiple, charges against Sandeep Ghosh that he illegally took a cut money for allowing car parking, that he illegally took money for allowing a cafeteria and also a food and beverages stall, that even the COVID pandemic emergency fund was misused, the academic fund was misused, things like procurement or buying of even basics like soap and toothpaste. There was apparently bribe money, cut money involved in those supplies. But the most damaging of it is biomedical waste. And in that case, it was being alleged by former Deputy Super Akhtar Ali that Bangladesh was the destination country for most of this biomedical waste that was smuggled, and the money was then laundered away. So money laundering, it is the Enforcement Directorate, which is the concerned agency, and they have started their probe into this issue to see if there is evidence. So the predicate offence is being probed by CBI to see whether there is corruption or not,
yes,
and whether the corrupt practices money was laundered, that ED is looking at.
So now from here on, Arunima, there is going to be a parallel investigation by both the CBI and ED in this case?
Yes, like in most of such cases, the Enforcement Directorate and CBI often collaborate because the predicate offence is probed by CBI and the laundering part is looked at by the ED. Sandeep Ghosh, this will be the third case for which he is under scanner. Today also he's been called to the CBI CGO office, which is where the rape and murder case investigation is going on. The Nizam office of CBI is in Kolkata is looking at the corruption allegation, and now with ED also jumping in, there is more legal trouble for the former Ajika strong man, if I can call him so.
Right. Thank you so much for that, Arunima. Kamalika, bringing you back in over here. Now that two central agencies have come into West Bengal to look at these financial irregularities, also a money laundering case now, and that's why the ED involvement. Any particular word coming in by the ruling dispensation in the state?
No, the ruling dispensation right now is saying that they should actually arrest the person if, apart from Sanjay Rai, anybody else is involved in this rape and murder case, they should arrest them. Right now, the ruling dispensation, they wants to put the pressure on the CBI that what happened after so many days, after a week, they did not arrest anybody. That's what the ruling dispensation is saying. And the ruling dispensation is also saying that if there are financial irregularities, CBI can go ahead and, gonna do the investigation. But the point is, now the rape and murder case, solving of the rape and murder case should be first. On the other hand, Abhishek Banerjee, who is not that active as claimed by Kunal Ghosh and others in the party, he has again tweeted it today on the fact that there is a requirement of a central law
Yes.
which will actually which will give punishment to the culprits and will give a capital punishment. So the Trinamool Congress, the ruling dispensation, they are trying to put pressure now on CBI. What happened after 5 days? Why the CBI is not arresting? And we can see that the number of protesters
Absolutely.
slowly
Kamalika, we will come back to you. In fact, during the process of covering this entire Nabonno Abhiyan rally, you have managed to speak to certain protesters. Of course, the protest is only beginning to swell. Like Kamalika has been mentioning, at around 1 p.m. is where the call for march has been made on social media. Let's first take a look at the reactions that she has got us from on ground.
आप यहाँ आए हैं प्रतिवाद जनाने के लिए आरजीकर को डॉक्टर्स को जो मर्डर हुआ है, धर्षण हुआ है, इसकी प्रतिवादी हूँ मैं।
आप लोग क्या चाहते हैं कि ममता बनर्जी रिजाइन करें?
अवश्य, सेकंडली ये व्यर्थ मुख्यमंत्री
भी इंसाफ लेने के लिए हिंदुस्तान का सबका औकात है। पश्चिम बंगाल कोई हिंदुस्तान का बाहर का नहीं है। ममता बनर्जी अभी जो पश्चिम बंगाल में जो करता है, एक क्या है, एडोल्फ हिटलर का कानून चालू करना चाहता है।
जो फेसबुक पे हमने देखा है कि दाबी एक मुख्यमंत्री पदत्याग, बस इसी के लिए जस्टिस तभी मिलेगा जब ये औरत है ना, वो गद्दी से उसको उतारना है, बस।